Welcome to Mars Saga, your gateway to the Red Planet. Subscribe now and join the journey.
What you see before you is not just dust and stone. It's a frozen chapter of a forgotten world. These twisted rocks, fractured ridges, and glowing mineral lines, they're the marks of time, pressure, and a force still unknown. Every crack tells a story, and every color hides a secret deep within. Today, NASA's Curiosity and Perseverance rovers roam this red planet like silent historians, capturing traces and signs that may once have belonged to life itself. Mars is not just a world of stones. It's a memory, a testimony, a silent history still breathing beneath the red horizon. This is Mars Saga, where every image unlocks a new mystery, and every mystery brings us closer to the truth. Subscribe now and keep your eyes on the red planet, because Mars is about to speak. NASA's Curiosity and Perseverance rovers have once again stunned the scientific world. Among the latest transmissions from Mars are formations unlike anything seen before. These rocks are not just rocks anymore. They bear markings, grooves, and hollow impressions, almost skeletal in form. Some appear fused together, others fractured, as if time itself tried to hide something ancient within them. Mars, the silent world of stone, might not have always been empty. Deep within the Gale crater and near the rim of Jezero, cameras have captured patterns that resemble fossilized bone fragments, rib-like arcs, jointed ridges, and structures twisted like vertebrae. While NASA describes them as geological formations, born from mineral crystallization, the symmetry is too precise, too organic to ignore. Could these be the remains of ancient Martian organisms, or just nature's illusion carved by dust and centuries? Recently, scientists identified a strange rocky slab embedded with microcavities shaped like cell structures. Under magnification, these cavities contain carbon-rich particles, something rarely seen on Mars's surface. They might be residues of once living matter or the early building blocks of life itself. In another region, Perseverance spotted dark, brittle stones covered with thin, thread-like veins, formed by water. Their composition suggests magnetic and volcanic reactions, as if the planet once breathed heat, not moisture, creating bones of fire frozen in stone. Some formations even show mineralized shells, spiral patterns curling through the rock layers. On Earth, these resemble fossilized marine creatures. Yet here on Mars, they formed through an unknown chemical metamorphosis. Could Mars have developed its own unique form of fossilization? A process that mimics biology, but is entirely mineral? Every rover image now feels like a page torn from an ancient Martian diary. The rocks don't just look ancient, they feel alive, holding secrets in their fractures. Each crack may be the boundary between geology and forgotten biology. Scientists are now calling this the bone field anomaly, a newly identified zone where dozens of bone-like shapes appear scattered across the dusty terrain. Some resemble fragments of skulls, others like limbs half buried in sand. No one can confirm what they truly are, yet the mystery is too precise to dismiss. Mars might not show life, but it whispers its memory. Colors too tell a darker story. Where Earth's fossils bleach white, Mars's fossil-like rocks turn obsidian black and crimson red, painted by iron and ancient heat. Some even shimmer under UV light, suggesting radiation-borne minerals that altered their atomic structure. Every hue, every glint is evidence that Mars wasn't just sculpted by erosion, it was forged by transformation. When you see these images, remember, these stones may not hold water, but they might hold bones, time fused into eternity. The Martian surface could be a colossal burial ground of evolution's first failed experiment, or the fossil record of a planet that almost lived. So the next time Curiosity drills into a rock, remember, it might not just be collecting dust. It might be touching the remains of something that once breathed beneath an alien sky. The mystery deepens after the discovery of bone-like formations. NASA's rovers have now spotted something even stranger: rocks that defy the logic of nature itself. Across the desolate plains of Mars, massive slabs rise like broken monuments. Some stand upright, casting long shadows, as if they were pillars of a forgotten civilization. Others lie scattered in perfect geometric shapes: cubes, triangles, and hexagons, too symmetrical to be random. It's as if someone or something once shaped the planet's skin. Curiosity recently captured a formation NASA scientists now call the Martian obelisk, a tall, needle-like rock standing alone amid flat ground. Its surface is etched with microscopic patterns, straight lines crossing at perfect angles. Not cracks, not erosion, but something far more deliberate. Was this a natural mineral reaction, or can Mars be hiding evidence of an ancient builder long erased by time? In another region, near the rim of Mount Sharp, Perseverance's cameras detected rock arches and hollow domes. They resemble cave entrances, but they're solid. No openings, no hollow space inside. Geologists call them stone shadows, formations created when minerals grow upward instead of eroding away. But these domes show a repeating spiral texture, almost like fossilized energy bursts frozen in stone. Then came the biggest shock: a ridge shaped like a serpent, nearly 30 feet long. Its layered plates shimmer under sunlight, the curvature perfect, spine-like, joint-like. Scientists say it's the result of magnetic crystallization, where Martian dust fused under ancient radiation storms. But some researchers whisper another theory. Could this be a record of motion, a creature, a structure, or something between both? Mars's rocks aren't just still objects, they're storytellers. Their angles, edges, and fractures follow a rhythm, a geometry that repeats across miles. Patterns seen once in Gale Crater reappear thousands of kilometers away in Jezero, as if the entire planet once pulsed with a single design. These strange formations share one thing in common: they look crafted, not created. Whether nature or intelligence shaped them, they stand as proof that Mars is still hiding stories far beyond imagination. So as the rovers continue their silent journey, each image feels less like a scientific photo and more like a secret unveiled. The deeper we look, the more Mars looks back. This is Mars Saga, where every strange stone and every impossible angle brings us closer to the planet's greatest secret. Because sometimes, rocks don't just lie still, they remember. Thanks for watching.